Are the Cybertruck rims defective? One of the owner of a Cybertruck said that his rims snapped from the wheel hub. Both driver side front and rear wheels snapped from the wheel hub. The rear rims snapped and got detached from the truck. The exact reason for the failure of the wheel is yet unknown, but we suspect this can have serious consequences at high speed if the rim were defective on multiple Cybertruck. Looks like the driver curbed the hell out of them and torsion pressure caused the interior to crack, leading to the tire falling away. The lug nuts are still attached. The mounting surface snapped off of the actual rim due to stress of some kind, which put a side load on the rims and they broke under that stress. There is also a probability that the truck might have hit some huge potholes which weakened the whole rim. Rims that shear from the mount on a $100,000 vehicle is not a joke.